Hello everyone! We are in my terrace. Ayan. Ayan, natuwa lang ako sa aking gumamela. Nag-bloom na siya this afternoon. Super ganda naman ito. Look at this. Like a butterfly. Oh, this is gumamela. Another variety of my gumamela. Look at that. Super gorgeous. Ayan. At meron pang isa doon. Ayun, ang ganda. Super ganda niya.